Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language in the Glovo Career app. First, open the Glovo Career app and tap the profile icon in the top left corner. Next, scroll down and select Settings. Inside Settings, look for the language option. Tap it and you'll see a list of available languages such as English, Spanish, French, and more. Simply choose your preferred language and the app will automatically reload using your new selection. All your menus, notification, and order details will now appear in the language you're most comfortable with. And that's it. That's how to change the language in the Glovo Career app. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.